Hey, let's see how we can save some money on idle Elastic IP addresses. As usual, it will be easy to make the change. So first, an Elastic IP address is a static IPv4 address designed for a dynamic cloud computing. So on the schema on the left, you have your Elastic IP, which is assigned to an EC2 server, and imagine you want to stop it. Then this Elastic IP might be reassigned to another EC2 instance. To check them, you can go directly to the EC2 service and Elastic IP section, and you can filter them by association ID. And if you don't find anything in it, it means that it has no association with any instance or network, and so it is idle. How this can happen? Sometimes when you delete an EC2 instance, the Elastic IP address may remain in place. To detect them with AWS billings, you can go to the Build section, select Virtual Private Cloud and a region, and you can simply see the line here, which is hourly charge, and it says per idle public IPv4 address, and so you are simply paying every hour for nothing. To find them all, you can query the curve with Athena, or you can also use Trusted Advisor on cost optimization section, and you can see the unassociated Elastic IP addresses. To fix it, you can delete them, which means release them. So first, you might not want to disassociate any existing Elastic IP address because they might be in use. But if they don't have any association ID, you can click on it on Action and then release Elastic IP address.